Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy Robux with Cash App. So, let's get started. To buy Robux using Cash App, start by navigating to the Roblox homepage. At the top of the page, click on Robux, then choose the amount you want to purchase. For this example, let's select 400 Robux. Now, you'll need to add a payment method to proceed with the purchase. To buy Robux using Cash App, you must first get a cash card. A cash card is a free debit card that allows you to use the money from your Cash App to make purchases. To get your cash card, open the Cash App and click on the card icon at the bottom of the screen. Follow the steps to apply for your cash card. Note that you must be at least 13 years old to qualify for a cash card. Once your cash card is activated, return to the Roblox site. Select the debit card option as your payment method and enter your cash card details. After entering the information, you can go ahead and complete your Robux purchase. That's all there is to it. If you don't have Cash App, you can use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App and we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.